Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious lamb chops in the oven. The first step for perfectly cooked lamb chops is proper preparation. Begin by patting your lamb chops completely dry using paper towels. This helps create a beautiful sear later. Next, season them generously on both sides with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a sprinkle of garlic powder or dried rosemary. This initial seasoning is key for deep flavor. Once your chops are seasoned, it is time to sear them on the stovetop. Heat a heavy-bottomed oven-safe pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place the chops in the hot pan and sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This process develops an incredible, flavorful crust that locks in the juices and adds an extra layer of taste. After searing, transfer the entire oven-safe pan with the lamb chops directly into a preheated oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting them for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the thickness of your chops and your preferred level of doneness. For medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit, measured with a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part. This method ensures they become wonderfully tender. This next step is absolutely essential for juicy lamb chops: resting. Once your chops reach your desired internal temperature, remove the pan from the oven. Transfer the chops to a cutting board and loosely tent them with aluminum foil. Let them rest undisturbed for a minimum of 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and full of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.